I'm Stacy, and I'm a nurse on the mother-baby floor and the certified passenger safety technician. You always want to make sure your car seat is installed prior to coming to the hospital. It's very stressful if you have to do it in the parking lot or the parking deck prior to leaving with your newborn. You want to make sure you have it installed by a certified passenger safety technician. As a floor nurse, we cannot go into a patient's room and give them advice or help or touch their car seat. We recommend you come into the car seat class offered at Summa to help you do the install and help you know how to put the baby in the car seat. When it comes time to leaving for the hospital, then you'll be all set.